forgot to plan the family dinner, or the kids have another evening activity and you've got to rush them out the door. You know what that means? You've got to get dinner on the table, lickety-split. We automatically think that when you need to pull a meal together really quickly, that for some reason that means there's a compromise on taste and nutrition. Well, you'll be delighted to know that that couldn't be further from the truth. Take this quick and easy recipe of mine, for example. Pancetta risotto with cream of potatoes from the Little Potato Company. And it all starts off with onion, garlic, and pancetta that have gently softened and browned in the bottom of the pan. Lots of really great flavor. Next, some arborio rice, risotto rice. And let that toast up nicely. And of course, the star of the dish, these buttery flavored little cream of potatoes. A little fresh thyme for some earthy base. And in true risotto fashion, wonderful, piping hot chicken stock. Or you could use vegetable stock. Let this gently simmer, allowing all those flavors to meld together. And the stock absorbs, the rice becomes tender, and those potatoes soften. Now's a good time for a touch of seasoning. To finish my risotto, I simply add grated Parmesan cheese for that wonderful, creamy finish and texture. Maybe just a touch more fresh grated. And a little butter. And it's done. We're ready to serve. Check out more of my recipes like this one on the Little Potato Company website.